Ready to improve and learn new skills? Hi and welcome to our channel, the Upskill Geek. Our videos give you the skills you need to succeed, to make yourself more employable, to become a better remote worker, and even make your existing skills more extra. We have lots of great tutorials and useful content for you. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to support our channel. It encourages us to keep making these videos. In this video, we will have a look at the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Word. In the upper left-hand corner, we have the Quick Access Toolbar. On this toolbar, you can access frequently used Word commands like undo and redo, print, and spell check. You can customize this toolbar by adding other commands. Click the down arrow and select the commands you would like to add to the toolbar. Deselect a command to remove it from the toolbar. That brings us to an end to this tutorial. If you are interested in learning more about Microsoft Word, have a look at the other tutorials on our channel. We have lots of tutorials where we take a more in-depth look into Microsoft Word features. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.